In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages in Slack. Mistakes happen. Maybe you spotted a typo right after sending a message, forgot to add context, or posted something in the wrong channel. The good news is that Slack gives you built-in tools to either update a message or remove it completely. Just keep in mind that in some workspaces, owners or admins may limit editing and deleting, or only allow it for a short time after sending. Let's start on desktop, including the Slack app and web browser. If you want to edit a message, first open the conversation where the message was sent. Find the message you want to change, then move your mouse over it. When you hover over the message, a small action bar will appear on the right side. Click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. From that menu, choose Edit Message. Your original message will turn back into an editable text field. From there, make your corrections, update formatting, or add anything you forgot. When you're done, click Save Changes just below the message field. Slack will update the message immediately, and you'll usually see a small edited label next to it. Here's a useful shortcut on desktop. If you want to edit the last message you sent in a channel, click in the empty message box and press the up arrow key. That will quickly open your most recent message in edit mode, which can save time if you catch a mistake right away. Now let's look at deleting a message on desktop. Go to the message you want to remove and hover over it again to bring up the action bar. Click the three dots, then scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Delete Message. Slack will show a confirmation prompt before anything is removed. Read the prompt, then click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the message will disappear from the conversation. If you're using Slack on mobile, the process is a little different because there's no mouse hover. Open the Slack app and go into the channel or direct message where your message appears. Find the message you want to manage, then tap and hold on it for about a second. A menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen. On Android, you may also be able to double tap one of your messages to jump straight into editing. To edit on mobile, tap Edit Message, make your changes, then tap the checkmark or save in the top right corner. To delete, tap Delete Message, then confirm by tapping Delete again when prompted. One final thing to remember, if you delete a message that already has replies in a thread, the replies stay there. Slack may leave a simple placeholder showing that the original message was deleted. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.